Hey guys, I got this portable sprayer because I have all types of projects that I'm working on outside in the garden, some cleaning of my fence and stuff. So I just wanted to open this up for you, do a quick unboxing and show you what it looks like, what it comes with. Later on, after I actually get a chance to use it, I'll show you a little bit more of a demo, but again, just quick unboxing here. Up top you have, it's electric one, you have your charger and a couple of different fittings for it. So I'll set those down. Like a cap, another type of cap. In here is the 2-gallon tank for the sprayer, and your wand, sprayer nozzle pieces, and then here's your shoulder strap here. So just pull the plastic off this to give you a better close look of it. So here's the 8-liter or 2-gallon tank, electric, for the electric sprayer. See, it has a filter in here, so as you pour your liquids in there, they strain out so you don't get big clumps of stuff in there. One cap here, cap here. Take this stuff out of the bag. And I'm not going to set up the full thing right now because I need to look at it. I don't know how all the pieces go yet. But again, just wanted to let you see what it came with. Again, I'll do some setup, I'll do some demo for you and let you know how it works.